What's good, everyone? You are tuned in to Raggedy Crimes and Chaos, where doorbells are snitches now. I'm your host, and today we're talking about a package thief who got caught by a Ring doorbell. But not the way you think, because she stopped to pet the dog. Let's get into this adorable disaster. Alright, so this is Nicole, 28 years old, professional package thief. She's been stealing packages for 6 months. Hits nice neighborhoods in the afternoon when people are at work. Her system is simple. Drive around looking for packages on porches. Grab them, leave. Quick, efficient. She's gotten pretty good at it. Today's target, Maple Street. Quiet neighborhood, lots of deliveries. Nicole's driving her beat-up Honda, scanning porches. Then she sees it, the Anderson house. Amazon box sitting right there on the front porch. Perfect. Nicole parks down the street, walks up casually like she belongs there, grabs the package, and that's when she hears barking from inside. Through the window, Nicole sees a dog. Golden retriever, tail wagging, excited. "Oh my God, look at you," Nicole says through the glass. The dog is losing it. Happy barking, jumping, wiggling. Nicole puts down the package. "You're so cute." "Yes, you are. Yes, you are." She's baby talking the dog through the window, full on making faces at it. The dog loves it, pawing at the glass, wagging its whole body. Nicole's having a moment with this dog, completely forgetting she's in the middle of committing a crime. She doesn't notice the Ring doorbell recording everything. Mrs. Henderson gets home at 5 p.m., notices her package is sitting on the porch, unopened. That's weird. I thought I saw a delivery notification. She checks her Ring app, pulls up the video from this afternoon, and there's Nicole, clear as day, picking up the package, then stopping, putting it down, then spending 5 minutes cooing at the dog through the window, making faces, baby talking. At one point she waves. "Who is this?" Mrs. Henderson says out loud. She scrolls back through her Ring history, different days, different times, same woman, every time there's a package. But this is the first time she stopped to pet the dog. And it's the first time the camera got a perfect shot of her face. Mrs. Henderson calls the police, shows them the videos. "She's been coming here for weeks," Mrs. Henderson explains, but this time she stopped for the dog. Officer Martinez watches the video, trying not to smile. She really loves that dog. "That's my dog." "Right. Sorry. But look, we have a clear face shot. This is great evidence." They post the video on the neighborhood Facebook group. Does anyone recognize this package thief? Within an hour, someone responds, "That's Nicole. She works at the coffee shop on Main Street." Police show up at the coffee shop the next day. Nicole's working the register when they walk in. Nicole Martinez? Yeah, we need to talk about some packages. Nicole's face goes pale. They take her outside, show her the Ring doorbell footage on Officer Martinez's phone. And Nicole watches herself baby talk the dog for 5 minutes. Oh no. Oh yes. I love dogs, Nicole says weakly. We can see that. Is that how you caught me? Because I pet the dog? Technically, you pet the window, but yes. Let me get this straight. Nicole's been stealing packages for 6 months, never got caught, always wore sunglasses, always moved fast, never looked at cameras. Then she saw a cute dog and forgot everything. Took off her sunglasses to see the dog better, stood directly in front of the camera, made faces at the dog for 5 minutes. That's not criminal behavior. That's dog person behavior. At the station, they show Nicole all the evidence. Videos from multiple houses, all showing her taking packages. But the Henderson video is the only one with a clear face shot. Why did you stop at this house? Detective Williams asks. The dog was so cute. So you've stolen from them multiple times, but this time you stopped because of the dog? I didn't know they had a dog before. He was in the window this time. So you put down the package, spent 5 minutes with the dog, then left without the package? I couldn't steal from a house with that cute of a dog. Detective Williams stares at her. But you could steal from them when you didn't see the dog? When I didn't see the dog, I didn't know they had one. That doesn't make it better. I know. Nicole's charged with multiple counts of theft. They've identified at least 15 different victims from her Ring doorbell appearances. At her arraignment, the judge reviews the case. Miss Martinez, you've been systematically stealing packages for 6 months. Yes, Your Honor. And you got caught because you stopped to interact with a dog? Yes, Your Honor. Through a window? He was really cute, Your Honor. The judge tries not to smile. That's not a defense. I know, Your Honor. So, what have we learned from today's Raggedy Crime? Lesson 1. Ring doorbells are everywhere. Assume every porch has a camera, because most of them do. Lesson 2. If you are committing a crime, stay focused. Don't get distracted by cute dogs, or any dogs. Just don't steal packages. Lesson 3. Your love of animals can and will be used against you in a court of law. And honestly, I respect Nicole's priorities. She drew the line at stealing from people with cute dogs. That's something. Still theft though. Alright, that's it for today's episode of Raggedy Crimes and Chaos. If this made you check your Ring doorbell footage, good. See who's been on your porch. Nicole was a successful package thief for 6 months. Never got caught. Always careful. Then she saw a golden retriever and forgot how cameras work. Dogs will get you every time. Until then, stay safe, stay smart, and maybe don't pet dogs during crimes. You are tuned out of Raggedy Crimes and Chaos. I'm out.